March 31st, 2024 here. I've decided to make a slight modification in this lino cut print I made. It might have been 2 years ago by now. The Banco Boidio, paid to the order of whoever the recipients are, 9,000 Boidios Bach. Hey, lost lutefisk. I don't know if that's over there. Bonafido Boidios Bach. You hear that? Bach. That's Boyd speak. So, I decided I'm going to cut away some of the border areas around the bird, the main bird in here. I'll give it more kind of dark versus white contrast. I think it'll be easier to visually read. So I put you a marking pen. This is like a plastic sleeve here, acetate sleeve. I mark where I'm going to cut it, and then I did the same thing on here because the image, the block print is backwards. Thank you. Backwards from how the print turns out. So that'll make it more similar to a print I did many years ago called 5,000 Seganos banknote. Okay, we'll see how this turns out after I cut it and then print a few proofs, and we'll see if it how it looks. I might try printing it in black as opposed to blue. All right, to be continued. Thank you. I appreciate your feedback. Yes, thank you. Feedback. Be okay. Yeah, thank you. There's 3 budgie wedgies in there. Parakeets. All right.